we feeling? Everybody doing good? Happy Monday. Oh, got ourselves a top wick. All right. What's going on? What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Bowser. George in the building. What up? Good morning, Green. Musa Mill in the building. Michi. What up, what up, what up? New month, yup. New month. What up, Michi? New week, new month, exactly. Same plan. New week, new month, same plan. Nothing changes. We got a fresh month ahead of us of April. Oh, I found those Celsius waters. They're good. Yeah, I got one in the freezer right now. I actually been drinking them over the past couple days. Good morning, Ray. How is everybody doing? What is the deal? I got a Celsius in the freezer. Got a fresh ice cold glass of apple juice in my cup. Nice and refreshing. And a great day ahead of us, right? Another day, another month, another week, another day, another month, another week to be disciplined to our plan, to be professionals in our trading. I am super proud of everyone. Got so many messages over the weekend about people having their best month, their best weeks, people being the most patient they've ever been, the most disciplined they've ever been. And man, that is music to my ear, man. That is music to my ears, because that's the real reason I started this channel, was to really show people that trading isn't this big hype, right? It's not this big thing, this gamble, this crazy excitement. Trading is a profession. Trading is something to be taken serious. It's something that the real traders, the real professionals, what they do is they treat this thing with the utmost discipline and patience that you've ever seen. So a lot of times new traders, they have this thing backwards, right? They think, I got to take a bunch of trades, I got to be all over it, I got to over risk, I got to do this. Meanwhile, it's the exact opposite, right? So super proud of everybody, because it seems like a lot of people are improving. A lot of people are feeling good, feeling a lot better in their trading, in their day-to-day trading. And yeah, just having a system, right? I mean, that's the biggest thing. Is a lot of people are, the one thing that they're missing is that system, right? That's why they jump from here to there to there to there, because they don't understand that you have to have a dialed in system, you know, and that's what we're here to provide. So super pumped, super proud of you guys for having a great month, a great week last week, and overall just, you know, improving your game. So that's what we're here for. So it is Monday. It is a new month. It is April 3rd, 2023, and we're back at it, right? We're back here. It's finally, the weekend's over. We're back to work. It feels good to be back on the desk. And yeah, we're gonna play the game like we do every day. So while everyone's excited and all hyped up about a new month, yes, we are, right? About quarter two coming to play. But at the end of the day, R2D2, my friends, we're back at it. Robotic. Nothing changes. I believe we took 3 losses in March. 3 losses, 18 wins. So incredible month. Let me just pull it up here. By the way, I went over every loss that we took. That's the beautiful part about having a stream, is that you can go out, we can go back, everything's documented. And this weekend I went back, I looked at every loss, and you know, they one loss could have been avoided due to spread. One loss I took, I was actually crazy in profit at one point, so greed took over me in that trade, and ended up losing just like 9 pips or something. But at one point I was up 28 pips on that trade, right? So 1 second. Yeah, so this is our record here for March. Let's see here. Yeah, this was the one that I got spreaded into, which, you know, nothing I could have done about that outside of always remembering to account for spread, right? That's all I took away from that. Other than that, that was a beautiful trade. This was the one I was about almost 30 pips up in profit, ended up closing 9. So I think greed got a little bit a hold of me that day. That was FOMC. We were expecting a really big move. You know, after reviewing the trade, probably should at least move stops to break even at that point. But yep, and then this was a beautiful L that we took, which was managed really nicely. I would take this trade over and over again. So yeah, other than that, man, the wins were all beautiful, but the wins are wins, right? Everyone wants to look at the wins. It's how many people are down to review the losses, right? And see why they lost, what they could have done better, how they could have avoided the loss, how they could have lost less, right? So, you know, took a look at that over the weekend, and we're gonna leave March in March, right? What was it again? 18-3, and we're gonna forget about that now. Great month, and we're gonna move off to a clean slate here in April. So we'll see if we can get on the board here today. It is 7:02. Let's get a little breakdown going. Looks like gold is creating a top wick here on the daily, but let's go to the monthly time frame here. And are we good? All right, so let me just take a look at this 1 hour. No top wick. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly time frame here, chat. Let me just bring this down. Let me send the Zoom link to the Discord as well. I don't know, why do streamers always forget to do that? Remember, I used to watch Don. He'd go through a 20-minute speech. Next thing you know, he'd be like, "Oh, let me send the Discord." All right. Whoops. Green. Looks like some London action, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Let's send the Zoom link and break it down. Y'all ready for story time on this Monday? Everybody good? Everybody awake? Everyone excited? All right, let's get the Discord down for a minute. Let's do the breakdown here, all right? So time to tell the story, all right? So what's going on here? What is going on with this monthly time frame here on gold? So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at it. So one thing we know is that we have pushed up here on gold. Looks like we've created a support at this point, and once price creates a support, there's a very high chance that price will continue on up to retest the highs up here. So that's the range you were in. It looks like we tapped into these highs last month, and then we started to pull back, right? So one thing that, you know, we didn't do was we did not close above here. We also got news that there was going to be some bailouts in terms of the banks, so the US dollar may not be as bad as we think, right? That's what they're trying to say. So, you know, at the end of the day, that's going to probably halt gold a little bit, right? Because now that we're pushing up to these all-time highs, they've created circumstances to get price there, and now they're in a way manipulating those things, right? So gold can still push up, but again, one thing we notice is that we have that information, but we also notice that we never closed above this support. Now, we could say that we closed above the most recent, resistance. We could say that we closed above the most recent resistance though, right? So we have a resistance right here, which we did close above, right? So now there is a high chance that we can potentially come up to retest these wicks up here at 2065, right? So you can see a candle look like this by the end of the month, right? Something like that. So according to price action here on the monthly time frame, we are bullish, right? We are bullish. We are looking for buys here. You have a wick to fill here. You also have these wicks up top. Now, let's see how many pips that is. So that's 400 pip wick fill right there. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame, because the monthly, again, we're right at resistance. We've closed above most recent, but we still have this resistance here to the left hand side that we do have to keep an eye on, right? But let's go make sense of these wicks, right? Because right now we don't know exactly what these wicks are. So we need to see what's going on, what those wicks are on the lower time frame. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here and break it down. So weekly time frame closed bearish last week. We had a really strong push down, and right now it looks like we never closed above this resistance still, right? So this was the resistance that we've been talking about all for the last 2 weeks, for the last 3 weeks now. We've been talking about this resistance. Yes, we have closed above this one, but that theory is out of the park now, and I really didn't like that theory anyway, but we have officially closed below this resistance as well now, right? So we also we've pushed down right away. I had a feeling right out the gates gold was going to drop beginning of the month and everything. So it looks like we're coming up to make a weekly top wick. So currently right now on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Although we are bullish on the daily, in order for us to on the monthly, in order for us to really say, okay, we can really look for buys, we're going to need a weekly candle to close bullish, right? Something like this. In order for us to confidently say, okay, we can now move with the higher time frame of the monthly candles, right? So you're going to need something like this or something like this where price closes above, and then now you could confidently say, okay, we could go up, there's a wick to fill over here, and start looking for buys. But as of right now, we are bearish, right? As long as this candle's high right here respects the high of the previous weekly candle, at any point this candle will flip, go bearish, potentially break these lows, come into retest this support, and who knows, maybe even continue further down, right? So let's take a look at the daily now. So daily time frame is kind of pushing up here, right? You kind of see these pushes. We've broken the low, which is a good sign if we're looking for sells today. We are bearish on the day, right? Friday's candle did close bearish, and now today you have broken this low, and it looks like you've broken all these lows. So chances are we're going to need a top wick on the daily time frame. We may be making that top wick right now for us to continue down, but all we know is that this candle on Friday closed bearish. The weekly candle closed bearish. As long as this high respects this high, price action is still bearish. Doesn't matter what we want, doesn't matter what we think. Oh, I want buys, oh, I want sells. None of that matters. All that matters is what price action is saying here, right? So let's take a look at the 4 hour, because we want to see what this push up was all about, right? Price pushed down pretty heavy in Asian session last night, and then it looks like London is correcting that move and pushing back up. So let's take a look. So 4 hour time frame, you have a support, right? You have a support right here. You have a resistance right here. I guess we could say this is our last resistance, and that's where price is kind of coming up to at the moment. So makes sense, right, for price to push up and then come down, right? After a nice steep push down, price came up back into these areas. Same thing here, right? After a nice little push down, price is now coming back up into this area. So we want to see what it's going to do here. Is it going to reject? Is it going to push forward? What is it going to do at this resistance, right? So right now, price is basically just in this range on the 4-hour time frame. We're here in this range. We're waiting for something to happen, right? Now let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, again, you have this resistance right here. Looks like you closed above, but you did close above with no top wick. And remember, we are very bearish on the day, so you are going to need a range to, you know, I'm going to need a range too when I'm looking for buys here today. So let's take a look, 30-minute time frame. If we are looking for buys and looking for sells today, let's see how we're going to find them, right? So I think clean buys are going to be above here. These are probably going to be your fake outs. Probably going to look for clean buys above this level here at 1974, 1975, because if we do close above that, it looks like every time we did, we had a nice push up, right? So you can see right here, closure above, eventually had the seller replay, close above here, you were able to push up pretty nice, close above here, you were able to tap into these zones. So yeah, so we're gonna look, or I'm gonna be looking for buys above this, yeah, nice, close above, pushed up. See when it didn't close above? No push, right? So anytime we did close above, we were able to push up pretty nicely, came down, rejected, pushed back up pretty nicely. So I'll be looking for buys above 1970, is it 1975? 1974, 835 here today. So clean buys above there. That would be let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, that would re-break daily highs. That would be fine for me. That's anytime we've closed above there on the lower time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like we had the push up from there. So I'll be waiting for buys above here. Let's see here. If we're gonna take sells today, we've had a really nice push up. So let's take a look at what sells are looking like here. Let's look left to get right. Yeah, I think below this support is pretty clean. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Daily. Where's the daily flip? Let's take a look at the flip. Yeah, I like below this support best. We'll take a look at that, the flip when and if it does come, what time it comes, if it comes during time of volume. But for right now, I think I'm going to take sells below here. What's that look like? Yep, that would be the daily candle, bearish at that point, breaking through these supports on the 30-minute and the 15-minute. But we'll take a look once we get some sort of market structure, a little bit better price action over here. We'll see what's going on, because we could also get some sort of a fake out up here as well. So we'll see what happens. The 30-minute and the 1 hour are not giving us the best price action at this point, right? It's just a monster push up. So for now, we'll take a look at sells below this area over here. I think this support is probably going to be best right there. Yeah, pretty comfortable with that. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to be looking for here today on gold. Pretty straight. I mean, damn, this was crazy push here, man. Crazy push on the way up as well. So let's see if they leave some action for the New York session traders here. But we should get some structure pretty soon. But yeah, so for now, gold, gonna be staying out of gold, this little range here. If we can get a closure outside of the range, perfect. But this range right here is gonna be a no trade range for me right now. That could change. That could change if we start creating some ranges and rejections up here to anticipate sells coming back down. But for now, man, it's a Monday. I'm chilling. So I'll look to trade up in here so we could fill these wicks, push up, or below here so we can take advantage of some of this clean price action as well. So pretty simple. That's going to be the day for now. Going to stay out of here. Look to trade here. Look to trade there today. So. A little bit of tough price action right now because we're just pushing and pushing and pushing. Morning, John.
Yo, good morning.
What up, my boy?
How you doing?
Amazing. How are you?
Great, bro. Great.
How was London?
Good. I didn't take anything though.
Nice. Sweet. And then if we get closures above here, chat, then there's more buys above here. So pretty clean above here as well. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, 4 hour making its way up here. Yeah, daily is squeezing up pretty tight. Should be a big breakout candle on the daily at some point pretty soon. So let's see what this daily wants to do. Breaking all those lows. Let's take a look at GJ as well. So pound yen, let's get rid of everything from last week. Let's take a look here. GJ. So GJ closed about doji here last month. It was a tough month for GJ, really trying to make a move. Pushed down pretty heavy at one point, flipped back up, closed doji, but we are pretty bullish here on pound yen. So I like the way we're moving up here. Now you have a doji candle. This candle, once it breaks the highs, it should be pretty good to continue on up. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Looks like the weekly closed bullish. Closed bullish right above this resistance here. So not the cleanest close, but although still closed above, right? So now this next candle is trying to make its way up here. Made a tiny bottom wick, but I did retest this area here, so that could be the bottom wick for the weekly time frame. Looks like you have a daily celery play, although we broke the lows already. Let's take a look at this daily time frame. Yeah, pretty bearish on the daily. Pretty bearish. As long as we respect the high, just like we were talking about with gold, as long as we respect this high, being that we've already broken the low. So now we could be making a top wick here to continue on down to come into this support zone here. Right, so you could very well see pound yen making a top wick right now and then looking to come on down and re-break the lows. The lows, the lows, right? And then today you could see something like this. So yeah, we just gotta wait there. It's pushing up pretty hard right now. 4-hour time frame is closing no top wick, so that is right. That's a sign, right? We had a support being created. We got a little bit of a top wick, but we did close below this resistance here, or this previous support, or right at it. And now you're rejecting. So let's see if we can make a bottom wick, if we can close bearish on this 4-hour. Because if you can close bearish on this 4-hour after that rejection, right, then this next 4-hour candle can very well continue down and start breaking the daily lows as we move into the NY session here, right? So something to look at, an idea. So let's see what that wick and what all this looks like on the 1 hour and 30 minutes. So if we're gonna look for positions here today, let's say right here, looks like price is bullish. We're coming down right now as we speak, and see if we could break the lows here on the 1 hour time frame. But let's see, you had this resistance type area right here, so price could close bearish here, and then if it does, well, that's gonna play out with our daily analysis, right? About this candle creating a top wick, flipping bearish, re-breaking its own low. 4-hour as well, rejecting, possibly closing bearish. This 1 hour candle now creates this resistance here, and especially if we close below here, then we could look to take some sells coming down. So let's see what that looks like. 30-minute time frame. Depending on which time frame we take this trade off of, depends on which support we're going to really pay attention to. But if we are looking at the 30, it's going to be this support here. Let's say this is our resistance, right? And then now we're in this range. So if we can get a breakout of this range, then I think we're pretty clean to continue down. Now that we have that 4-hour rejection, we have that daily top wick. If we do break these lows on the 30-minute time frame, then we can anticipate the daily candle starting to push back down, right? So that's what we're looking at here today. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Yeah, looks good like that. All right, perfect. So yeah, so that's what I'll be waiting for here on GJ. If it is an hour close, then we could possibly look to take positions below here. So let's keep it like this for now. But we're gonna need range 2 buys above this resistance here. A lot of choppiness. Really not too interested in buys today. If anything, this is probably the area for buys when you got the closure above here to continue pushing up with this clean traffic here. But now, if you look, this is clean traffic, right? So that's what you see in here, clean traffic. But now, once you make your way up here, it gets a little choppy, it gets a little rough, right? So not too interested in buys today here on GJ. But if we do start to push down, could be interested here in some sells at 8 a.m. So the NY open. So yeah, so that's what's going to be for GJ. Sells below 164.550. And then range 2 buys above 164.778. So sells below here. And range 2 buys above here. Probably going to need buys above here. So what is that? 164.900 basically. Yeah, because above here you have cleaner candles. See what that range is. About 32 pips. So now we wait, my friends. Now we wait. Yep, so we're starting to reject here. We did make a bottom wick. for the 1 hour. So not comfortable here, right, guys? Like, we had this 1 hour closure, but what's one thing you notice here? We had no bottom wick, we got no top wick, we just got a big bullish candle. Not something I'm interested in. We need a clean close, we need top wicks, we need bottom wicks, we need a redo, right? Start over, right? Walk out the door and come back in, right? So that's what this candle is doing for us. So we'll see how this candle closes here in well, we have a 30-minute closure coming up in a few minutes, and then a 1 hour closer and a close in about 20 minutes. So looks like we have news here at 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI, but we'll probably be off the charts at that point. It is a Monday, so just here for the vibes. Good morning, Anthony. King Cheppy, good morning. Great analysis always. Thanks, George. $431 subs. Appreciate you guys subbing to the channel. The channel is growing. If you guys haven't subbed or liked the stream yet, give us a sub and a like here on the stream today. Appreciate you guys for being here. Waking up early for your dreams, your goals, right? I'm here for my dreams and my goals, but at the end of the day, you guys are here. You're being consistent. You're being, you're showing up, and at the end of the day, that's what's gonna matter, right? Who's gonna show up? Who's gonna be there? And who's gonna be a professional? So, kudos to y'all. $21 likes or 21 viewers right now, 13 likes. Can we get the likes up so we can get this channel out to more and more people as we begin this amazing month of April? Amazing clean slate here in April. So looking forward to putting some W's on the board. John, do you trade London on Sunday nights too, or no?
No.
Oh, nice.
Wait, what do you? Last night, yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay. Let's take a look at the Discord. For those of you that aren't in the Discord, we also have a free Discord as well. You guys are more than welcome to join. Looks like we have new friends pouring in every day. Oh, nice. GU buys. Ho, that's a big boy ticket right there. 14.6, baby. Well done. Well done. Perfect. Let's see what's going on with the London session. George starting it off. 2 a.m. Gino in there. Oh, nice. Took a buy. Break of the high. Stops below the current candle. TP smacked. Very nice. Well done. Just closed the 15-minute breakout on GJ. Nice. Red FX. Always pulling up to the London. Nothing for me on gold as of yet. Anything for you guys? Johnny Boy, morning boys. This is what I'm looking for on gold. Nice. Sells below 1950. Very nice. $15 celery. See, the celery always, I don't know if you were looking for a bearish or a bullish, but why are we so loud, brother? I was trying. Oh, nice. Yeah, session is live. Dope, dope. So yeah, Sunday night. A little quiet. 30-minute candle closed. Looks like we closed right at this 1 hour resistance. So we'll see how this 1 hour candle closes. You guys shouldn't be antsy at all today, right? It's Monday. Just everyone take a chill pill. Nice. Got GJ pushing down. Yeah, I'd rather wait for the 1 hour to close here. All right, yeah, let's wait for the 1 hour here. Let me go get my Celsius. Ooh, gold. It's been in the freezer. It might be frozen at this point. It's a Monday. It's a fun day. For those of you that be asking, Nick, why are you up so damn early on a Sunday? Bro, I'm telling you, I'm a freak of nature. I'm a freak of nature. I get up early because number one, we only got one life to live, right? If you're laying there sleeping around all day like a sack of potatoes, I mean, what are you doing, man? You ain't doing nothing with your life. So, got to get the most out of this life. And, you know, my family wakes up around like 9:30. So I use the weekends to, you know, get right? If I'm up 5 hours before them, I could do almost everything I need to get done before they wake up. So that way when they do wake up, I could just give them all that time, right? So you got to work on yourself so you can be the best you could be for the family as well.
Life ain't stopping for no one. Get ahead now.
Yep.
Time to get this money.
Yes, sir. Oh, Celsius, baby. Watermelon. I got like 3 or 4 different flavors, so. Different, man. Gotta be different. Don't be a sack of potatoes. Laying around like a log.
That's just a waste of life.
How productive are logs? Not too productive, right? Maybe for bugs, actually. They're probably a good environment for bugs. So if you want yourself to be a good environment for bugs, then go ahead. Stay still. Stay log mode. While you in log mode, and I'm logging in mode. You know what I'm saying? I'm logging in the mode. What up, Greenery? My boys stay up early.
It's good, chat. How we doing?
Someone's got a birthday this week.
Oh, shit.
Someone's got a birthday this week.
That's right.
He's gonna be official, chat. He can finally show his face and not have to seem like he's doing something illegal in the markets.
Weird. It's coming up.
He can finally get his own account, his own names. Now I'm like, damn.
I can now have things on my name.
No more of my name, so I can't keep all the profits anymore. We all up to chase our dreams. Yep, absolutely.
Morning, Scott.
Scotty boys in the
Get it,
house.
brother.
Yeah, I'll be honest. I had my alarm set for 5:30 yesterday, but I woke up at 4 and I just said, "Let's get it going. Let's get it going."
Sleep.
I got up. I actually went back into the bedroom. I looked at the bed and I said, "Nah, nah, nah. We're getting this thing started now." So that's what you got to tell yourself, right? Your flesh is weak, but the spirit is willing, right? The flesh is weak, so you always got to deny flesh. Flesh is gonna want the easy way out. The flesh is gonna want the warm water in the shower, but the spirit, man, spirit wants that cold. So you got to deny the flesh. The more you can deny that flesh, the more that spirit man can start to live. GJ. A 30-minute salary would be nice for GJ here at 8 a.m. What y'all do this weekend? Anything good?
Anything?
Heard there was a tornado or something going on. Did you guys get a lot of rain up there?
Yeah, we were like thunderstorming on Saturday. Saturday night and shit.
Gotcha.
It was like 70 degrees Saturday during the day, and then we just started thunderstorming.
Oh damn. GJ not looking bad here. See, what news do we got coming up here this week? We do have the ISM stuff going on today, tomorrow 10 a.m. as well, so that's not in our way. ADP non-farm is coming up. I know Friday's NFP. We have more unemployment rates, employment change, unemployment claims. So for the US dollar here. And then Friday is NFP. You either gonna get rich or you gonna get broke. Or you're gonna chill out like us, wait for the news to come out, and then look to take positions. Do we trade NFP? We do trade on NFP, yes. But do we trade NFP itself, the release? No. Nope, we will watch NFP come out. We will let a 15 or a 30-minute candle or even a 1-hour candle close, and then we will be jumping on the wagon. Yard work. Yard work this weekend.
What'd you do this weekend?
Just chilled. Not much. Not too much. Went over the month, went over some of the losses in the month.
Yeah.
Figured exactly what I could have done better. Wow, if we get a close above on gold here, not too bad to continue up.
No, that's what I really want.
Remember, every time we closed above, we were able to push up pretty good.
Yeah.
Especially with the NY Open coming in. Not a bad idea here. Just got to make sure we close above. Yeah, I'd be interested in that. NFP coming up this week. Another NFP. Ooh. Let's get magic keys all set up. Oh, is he taking a trade? Yeah. Let's see. What else we got? I watched this Adam Sandler movie. I forget what it was called. It was like a newer one. It's pretty good. They yeah, it wasn't bad. They I forget the name of it. Mysterious something. They were on this big yacht. They were like these average people. They got invited onto this like big yacht, and they were into like all these like murder mystery books, and that's exactly what happened on the yacht. And it was like their job to figure out what went down.
Oh wow,
it was pretty good, not bad.
He's got some good movies.
Yeah. That's where we took our buys on Friday too. We're coming right back into this area. Adam Sandler. 15-minute candle is closed. See if we can get a close here on the 1 hour. Murder Mystery, yeah, that was it. Yup. Good morning, Ken FX. What's the good word? Yeah, Murder Mystery, yup. Wasn't bad. Adam Sandler's usually pretty good, pretty classic. It's crazy to see these guys getting older. All these actors and actresses, sport players, everything. Where's brother Joe at? Joeski?
He'll be on the chat.
Is he at the gym still?
In the chat.
Yo, there he is. Good morning, Joe. Chat, I got my two brothers here, man. Come on, like, talk about family legacy, right? Like, how cool is that?
Oh, yeah. Breaking the generational curse.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Remember, chat, you're always leading. You're always leading. Even when you're either leading right or you're not, but you're always leading. You're always being a leader. That's why everyone should read about leadership. I got my day trader shirt on today, so you know. We're day trading. Day trader. Gonna have some time to eat. Merch coming soon. The merch is coming. $600 subs by the end of the week? Yeah, I think so. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, man, what are you waiting for? We could definitely get that. We're on our way to 1,000 here. 1,000 is when we get some cool features on YouTube, so. We're on pace though. We got 10 minutes here for this candle to close. See what that 4 hour is looking like. Daily's pumping up. See what this 4 hour looks like. Was thinking about going to Eddie and Sam's yesterday, but never pulled the trigger.
Damn.
Yeah, probably should have.
Yeah, what's that? Can't wait to hit that shit back up.
The barbecue chicken slice was calling my name.
For real, that one's a good one for sure. I was messing with the chicken bacon ranch one too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken bacon ranch. Yeah, their barbecue chicken was just money.
What happened?
where are we at? There we go. A fake out would be nice. On 600 subs? Yeah. Fake out. Who uses magic keys? Any of you guys use magic keys out there in the YouTube land? Oh yeah. Yeah, how you liking your magic keys? Think what, you got to use it 1 or 2 times? On screen magic keys, nice, yeah. Once you have magic keys, it's pretty hard to go back. Like, I don't even remember how to close stuff. Like when Nico was asking me the other day how to close the position, I had to like go deep into my memory. Yeah, magic keys makes everything just so much easier. Trying to find some structure here. Looks like we actually created a nice support on the 5. There's like no structure whatsoever. See if we get a little pullback. Nice push. The NY Open is coming up. Should see some volume. Makes it so where all I have to do is focus on the setup and the entry, not the lot size and the risk. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Just enter your risk and let the magic keys do the rest. A lot of volume coming in here though. $30-minute celery play here on GJ. See if this 1 hour, how this 1 hour candle closes. Gold ripping.
Driving. Shit.
Driving. It's driving.
Don't leave without us, gold.
Hold the line. The waves are splashing. Hold the line. Who's in these gold buys? And don't lie. Let's go. Who's in them? Who's in them? Who got in on the open of this candle? Who's in? Who got in up here when gold just started pushing? Don't lie. Do, 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 do. 2 minutes to the NY Open. See if we could pull back a little bit here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, stops are getting a little too big.
Yeah. I want to see it pull back to like right here.
Facts.
The level is just too advanced. Maybe 30-minute onion on GJ, yeah. Yup. Just need a closure below. Otherwise, we could just mess around a bit more in the range. If you get a close below, though, you could see price look to mirror this over here to the left. But need that close below. Get this closed below. Next candle should be able to pump down. Gold closed with no top wick.
Damn.
GJ closed right above, so yeah, chat. Nothing we can do here.
All good, chat. We don't want this garbage.
We used to say on downstream all the time, don't cry. Don't cry. Tell him, Green, don't cry. Yeah, nothing we could do here, man. Nothing. As Raja would say, nothing. Could price push down? Absolutely. Are these my pips? Absolutely not. Unless that candle closed below, then there's nothing for me. Nothing to do. I've watched that whole push up all day. Haven't seen one setup or entry. No FOMO though. Exactly. Yup. Yup. You do have the NY open though. GJ closed bullish on the 30-minute. So at any moment, GJ could pull up, break the highs, and continue back up here, based off the 30-minute time frame. Oh. 1 hour time frame could continue down, right? We don't want to start entering a trade where 1 hour candle looks bearish, 30-minute candle looks bullish, right? You don't want to. 15 looks bullish, 4 hour looks bullish, right? You don't want to do that to yourself. Been there, done that.
George. Honestly,
George said.
I also want to see gold form some support.
Yeah, me too. So if you notice, last time we had a support on gold was right here. So it would be really nice to see price create that support. Alright, something like this. Because once we could do something like this, then I would look to take buys coming back up.
100%.
Because right now we have no support that we could really push off of. But if we do create a support back in this range, plus you get somewhat of a fake out, right? Then that's something I'd be more interested in. Because remember, price always pushes its hardest off of a support, right? When you're going long, or off of a resistance when you're trying to short the market. So, being that we closed with no top wick, we're running into a bit of choppiness up here as well, right? Yeah. Best that we wait for something like this to happen. Look at GJ pulling back up now, right? Respecting 30-minute lows, I'm sure. And one thing I used to do, but I'm not going to do it here today, especially during the NY Open in times of volume, is once these highs break, take an impulse entry, right? This is where an impulse entry would come into play. If we respect the low during NY Open, break the highs, price should continue up. But not going to do anything like that here. If anything, I'd rather a 1 hour candle close, or at least a 30-minute candle close, and then we could look to take buys as long as we create a support on pound yen. Because this level here, every time we came down, right, we pushed back up. So. But not a bad idea here.
Yeah, Chad, that's key into looking left. You gotta ask yourself, where did price close below and above before? That's key.
Oh yeah. See, watch this. When this high breaks, watch. Watch you get a push for the NY Open. There it goes. Here's your push. So this would be considered an onion if we weren't so close, right? Because you can arguably say we closed below on this bullish candle. So until we actually have like a real confirmation that we closed above, I didn't want to take that. Plus it's a Monday. Five pip push. There's your push. No top wick. Usually means no range, right? So I'll see if we can get rejections up here. You are kind of running into this area here. We're going to take a look at GJ here today during comics. Somebody asked a question last week, does GJ move like gold during comics? So gold moves because it's tied with the US dollar. So we'll see if it has any effect on pound yen as well. Haven't really watched it for pound yen, but we'll take a look here today. Do 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 do. Free Discord, yep. Free Discord, link is in the chat. Link is in the bio too, I believe. Alright, it's one thing to have a closure above chat, but then you really have to have so there's a setup type, right, that we look for, and then there's an entry type, right? And then these two things, what they do is they allow us to remove all emotion, right? So unless that setup type shows, right, we didn't even really get our setup. The only thing we got here was a close above, right? We got a close above. That's the only thing we really got. If anything here, we have a resistance right here. So why are we gonna try and take a buy there, right? So the setup was not even there. Never mind the entry, right? In order for a real setup to be there, it's gotta look something like this. Like it's gotta be a close above, but it's gotta have a top wick and a bottom wick. That's ideally what you wanna see. So you wanna see that candle close above, and then basically that will remove emotion. So that'll start to remove thinking. There's no thinking necessary here, right? You let the markets do the thinking for you. We ask the question, can we close above? This candle closes above, so the market answers that question, says yes. And then we ask, okay, do we have a top wick and a bottom wick? Market answers the question, yes. And now we're looking for our entry, right? So once once the setup is clear, closure above, top wick, right, room to drive, now we have to ask another question. Well, can we get our entry, right? What do we look for entries? Well, we're going to need a bottom wick, right? So can we get that? Once that's established, yes. All right, now can we flip bullish and break the high? If we can do that, then that's our entry point, right? And boom, if it market decides to do that, right here is our entry, and we can now enter a trade, and we can look to tap into the next point of resistance, right? And keep our stops below here. But this should remove all emotion. You don't want to have any feelings, thoughts, emotions, right? It's good to have that as a human, but not as a trader, right? You gotta learn to separate it. You gotta learn how to turn the switch on and off. When you're here, you're a robot, man. When you're with your family, yes, absolutely. When you're doing things on your own, in your own life and in your own, basically your own life, that's when it's okay to have emotions and be an actual human. But here, there's that stuff can kind of hurt you. Kind of hurt you a little bit. Because you could feel like getting into a buy right now. Man, I feel like getting into a buy, right? But, all goes back to FOMO. Everything goes back to FOMO. If you could be mature enough to say, if it drives, it drives, or I don't care about, this move can go wherever it wants, my setup ain't there, then that's how you know you're on a good path. So GJ broke the highs as expected during volume time, starting to push up pretty nice. $11 pips there, so pretty good. 15-minute candle's gonna close here in 1 minute. Hey, yo. $8.14. Yeah, if we would have had a little bit of a stronger close here, then I may have been interested in these buys, but we're kind of right there, so. See how gold closed. 15-minute, no bottom wick. Yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes here on GJ. Really would rather take sells on GJ though. I mean, yeah, GJ, because this could just be creating that daily top wick right now.
You're bearish.
Right, you could easily see this candle re-flipping, right? You had a bearish close. Now, how many times have you seen bearish candles look like this? Right, so although it's green right now and looks like a strong bullish candle, well, we've already broke the low. Could just be creating a top wick at this point. And as long as this high respects this high, it's still good, right? So as long as this high respects that high, this candle could still drive down at any point. Push it, push it, push it. Same thing with the 1 hour, right? As long as this high respects this high, this candle could easily pump back down. Gold trying to make its way back up here. Give me a sec, chat. I'll be right back. I could just picture Tandy right now like, I gotta get this workout done. I gotta get this done. Oh, here's 820. Let's take a look at pound yen. Let's see, this is the 820 candle. $820. Let's see what 820 did on gold. Pushing up. Yeah, I think it has a little bit more effect on the USD pairs. Yeah, man, this was expected. If we weren't bearish, I would consider taking that, especially at volume time. See what gold's doing. Not much. Still rejecting here with no top wick. Morning, Jay.
Good morning, my man. How you doing?
Good, brother. How are you?
Good, man. It's a Monday.
It's a Monday.
Yo, good morning, Jay.
Good morning, John. How you doing, bro?
Doing great, bro. By yourself?
Doing fantastic, my man. Fantastic.
Lovely.
How was your weekend, bro?
Oh, man. Got some sleep because it rained and a little bit of hail. So, I'm feeling refreshed right now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Were you working on some beats this weekend?
Oh, I
See
got
that.
this. I pulled the trigger on Ableton 11. And,
What's that?
man, so it's like this music production software. And I was running 9. And then I went all the way, just got the upgrade all the way to 11. And
Okay.
man, they just updated like the whole interface and like they added so much new things to it. It's insane. It's insane.
Oh,
Like,
nice.
they've simplified it. That's what it was. So it's really nice.
So you upgraded. Nice,
It
nice.
was really dope.
Let me upgrade ya. 1 hour salary on GJ if it can break the previous highs. Let's take a look. Celery? Celery or breakout? Oh, 1 hour celery. I see. The one thing about the celery is it always works best when the candle is weaker. Right? So excuse me, this candle right here is a pretty strong bearish candle. It always works best when the candle is just a little bit weaker. So see, this candle's like weak bearish. This one's more so like a strong bearish. It's usually gonna work best when it's like a weak. Then you'll see the move. Yeah, a little bit of a difference. Tandy! Zoltan! Zoltan! What's up, my boy?
Good morning, my man.
He's
Good
back.
morning, good morning.
He's back.
Good morning,
Morning,
Scott.
Scott.
George. What up, Bull? What up, John? What up, Jay? What up, Nick?
What's good?
Man.
Good to be back.
What's good? It's good to be back. It really is good to be back, man. The weekends, I tweeted on Friday, damn, market's closed. Can't wait for Monday, man.
Yeah.
I was talking to John on the phone, anticipating Monday.
I got the Saturday blues, you know?
Word.
Alright.
You feel like on a Friday, you feel like that Pablo Escobar meme when he's in the
Yeah.
empty pool just looking at the wall like, all right,
What do I do?
what's up with life right now?
Yeah, that's
Good morning,
so
George.
true. How normal people feel on Monday, that's how we feel on Friday. But it still
That's
is
the difference.
it still is good to have a weekend though.
I ain't gonna lie to you, though. Like, once crypto comes back, it's gonna be like there is no weekend. Just straight
What?
crypto on the weekend and
Just trading.
gold on the weekdays.
What times do you trade live with your community? Right here, right now, brother. Right here, right now, David. Thanks for pulling up. So 6:30 a.m. Eastern till about 10 a.m. Eastern. Every day, Monday through Friday.
Is your father Chuck?
Huh? Oh, Chuck Norris? Just throwing it out there. Your dad named Chuck? Any relationship to Chuck Norris?
Jefferson. Great mind think alike. What if he's like, yeah, that's my dad.
Texas Ranger, baby. Yeah, welcome, David. If you're new to the stream, welcome, my man. Happy to have you here.
What up, Gigi?
I wouldn't need to trade. Gigi. Gigi. That ain't just Gigi. That's Gigi.
Wait, does Chuck Norris even have any kids?
Not that he knows of.
Oh yeah, Mike Norris, Dakota Norris,
Oh,
David
okay.
Norris. David Norris.
If I seen David Norris in there, I'd be like,
Yeah.
that's it.
No way.
That's him. Gold trying to make its way back up here. Gold needs some structure here.
Bro, last week this is gonna be like the breakout to 2K is gonna be wild. Last week I said this shit was gonna close 2 small body inside bars on the weekly and then 1 massive candle push up. I think we're gonna get that this week.
Massive.
I'm telling you, engulfing to the top side. Like we're gonna eat, like the fucking candle's gonna, excuse my language, 270 the high. I'm just foreseeing that happening here soon. So
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I think tomorrow we'll have a bit more clear direction on gold.
This is based off the weekly. This is what I'm telling you here. Just what I'm seeing. The weekly's been my favorite thing to base my trades off here.
Yeah. The weekly. 50. Oh, Bentley. How's everyone doing? Hey, Bowser.
I believe there's also news today.
Yeah, appreciate you guys pulling up. 433 subs. Can we get to 450 today? If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give us a sub, give us a like on the stream. The more likes we get, the more we pop up. So when people are jumping on YouTube right now looking for a live session or a live stream, the more likes we have on our streams, the more the higher chance that our stream starts to pop up. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. So if you guys could like the stream, that'd be dope. Morning, Daniel. Oi, Bowser. Hey. Bowser, where are you guys from again? I can't remember. Where are you guys at? Where you at? Oi, matey.
I don't think the pirates. The Caribbean.
Oi. They're like, we live out in the Caribbean. Oi, matey. We live on a ship. Scotty C. Oh yeah, Massachusetts. Yep.
Yeah. Wicked pizza.
Yeah, that's right. Scott C making moves, man. Kids making moves. Currently in the UK, but originally from Lithuania. Wow.
Sick.
I want to go there.
That's cool.
Word.
Dang. See, I wish I could say cool stuff like that, but instead I'm like, I'm from Florida. Dude. Lithuania?
Dude,
that sounds so cool.
That sounds the power of the internet never seems to,
Yeah, it's dope.
like, the fact that we could all be here together right now, like, come on.
Facts.
This was just a dream in the 70s. Can we get a
still don't
little
really
push?
understand it.
The what?
Internet doesn't make sense to me. I really don't understand it at all.
What? The web.
You're telling me that there's just like satellites up in space and shit? Oh.
Gold closed bearish here on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, I think gold is just caught up right here. So this is probably going to be a resistance. Rejected this area. 30 minutes pushing down now. Very small country on the Baltic Sea. Wow. A lot of traveling to do.
Yes, sir.
Lots of traveling.
Gonna travel.
You what?
Travel the world.
All around the world and yeah. I'm gonna get I'm gonna make sure when I travel I got a whole travel setup so we can continue to stream from all over the world.
For real. This job is perfect. You can travel and still work, you know?
Even if you gotta hit up the electronic spot where you're at just to cop a laptop or something.
For real, light work.
Light work. What is gold gonna do here? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. No need to rush into a trade here on a Monday when you're not getting exactly what you want. No need to rush in a trade any day, for that matter, when you're not getting exactly what you want. See, if this candle would have been just a bit more off the fence, then these buys are pretty good, right? We called it, right? I basically said once the highs break here, you're going to see a push. That's exactly what happened with the NY Open. Not sure if anybody took that.
What? Oh.
That GJ push. Oh, snap. Gold about to break the high here. The city of God. Listen to some dope podcasts, couple dope podcasts this week. 30-minute celery on gold. Yeah, if we weren't right. We're still in the range, right? So the celery play has got to be outside of the ranges for it to be a true celery play, right? If we have this marked off, then yes, I would say so. But the thing is, there's just resistance, rejections. So not really looking the best for the celery play. Now, can it still happen? Absolutely. But yeah, I guess you could say that 30 closed below. It could pop for sure. 4 hour candle is bullish. It's not as clean as I would like it to be. There's a lot of rejection in this area as well. Can it play out? Absolutely. Right? We can come all the way up, fill this wick, but Yeah, but according to this support right here, it's pretty clean, right? Candle closed bearish below, I mean above. This candle broke the highs. Should respect the low at this point. It's just this area on a Monday is a bit tricky. Yeah, I'd much rather wait, I think. Yeah. Wow, Q2, baby. Q2. A lot of volume on for a Monday. Yeah, man, we had this whole push up here. Had a nice push down. I was looking for sells below here last night, but candle closed pretty deep down here and then kind of didn't really do much, but then continued down. Didn't really have a good entry though, but I was looking at this support right here for a close below to fill this range. Clean candles to the left. This candle pushed down pretty clean. Yeah, you see. Not the cleanest. Lots of gold though, yep. Lots of volume in gold. See what pound yen's doing. What's that 30-minute candle up to? Yesterday, me and Bowser was looking to snatch buys on gold. Sadly, I missed all. Sleep was more important. Yeah, yesterday, because the daily was pretty bearish, right? So yesterday, we started dumping right away. And this is why I always wait for a top wick, right? Because just like this daily candle, the daily candles and the 30-minute candles, they're all candles, right? Candles they do the same thing. So if you would have entered on the break of these lows, right, with no top wick, well, look at price now pulling up, right? So that's why I always wait for a top wick when I'm taking a trade, for when I'm taking a sell. Still respecting 1 hour highs here as well on GJ. So 30-minute celery. Oh shoot, I see learning. Yeah, there you go. Learning. Yeah, I mean that was my thoughts on that celery question that you had. It's just because it's the pattern doesn't always necessarily mean it's gonna play out, right? So there's a false celery and a true celery. Let's call it that. Right? So you always got to look left, my friends. Always look left. You want to get right? Look left. Because that told us everything we needed. Now we are respecting the low here. So we did break the high. So there is a chance that this candle can still continue on up. But just not part of our plan. By the way, how do you say your name? Is it Steven or Stefan? If it's Steven, put a V in the chat. If it's Stefan, put a PH. Just so I know how to pronounce your name.
Yeah, those are always hard, dude.
Yeah, because I have a friend named Steven, but he spells it with a PH. So,
Yeah, Steven.
okay, Steven. Got it. Yeah, that's how my friend does it too. So nothing for us just yet. Sleep was more important than the gold buys. Gotta get your sleep. Yes, sir, I get called both. I used to correct everyone, but it's happened for so long I don't even care anymore. Word. I'd feel the same way.
Let me tell you about my name, dude. Oh. It is rough to be a man with a name of Tandy. Let me tell you.
I remember when I met Tandy for the first time. And he told me his name. I thought his name was gonna be like Brock or something, like Brock. You know, like, yeah, what's up? My name's Brock. And yeah, he was like Tandy, and I was like, Tandy. Well, nice to meet you, Tandy. I like that name though.
Oh,
That name's unique, Tandy.
it is. Yeah, I didn't really appreciate it when I was younger, but you know,
Yeah, ain't nobody
It's,
got that name.
it's Native American for little flowers, so you know. I gotta.
You definitely
gotta live
represent a
up-
little flower.
Hey, what's good? Little flowers, bro. Why?
Red
Just
Baron.
go-
Just go by RB.
Facts.
That's too funny.
So cute. No, I don't know.
Everyone loves Tandy though. Tandy, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Exactly, a little sunflower.
Yeah. That's what Tandy is, a nice sunflower.
Oh, yeah. Stop it. Hello, my name is Little Flower. Oh, what's your bench?
That's where I met Tandy, in the gym.
Today.
Today, Junior. Oh, classic Adam Sandler. Steven knows all the movies. Every movie we talk about, he's on it. Gotta be a 90s kid.
Adam Family movies, nothing beats it, dude.
Steven, what were you born, 1990? '91. Nice. I knew it.
31 Club?
'91. 31 people watching. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Just hanging out, waiting for a trade here. Welcome to the community. Welcome. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. You guys are all welcome to join us. Any questions that you have, put them in the chat. That's what we're here for, help you guys out. learn, grow together. Good times. Yeah, gold would be pretty nice. If we can do this to end 8:30, and then if we could do this for 9 a.m. to 9:30, create a support, or even create a support like this. Wow, let me redraw that. Sorry. Wow, just forgive me. Let's redo that. Yeah, so if we can get a support, oh my god. Something like this, and then the next candle to pop from 9 to 9:30. Then we can look to take positions here at 9:30 coming up. With the volume. Riding with the volume. There is a support right here as well, so you may be trying to make it right here. So come on, Goldie.
Like a deep wick, and then the candle closed right on 1975. That'd be nice.
That'd be good. Right on it. Right on. GJ's getting a bit tough here for buys. Gonna have to go based off the 4 hour. This would be ideal on GJ if we can get a nice push up here to end the 30-minute time frame, and then get a celery play for 9:30. See, like this is your ideal celery play, something that is like this, closing above. Right, that's a much better celery than one down here in the range. Because then you can confidently say, okay, we're closing above still on all these candles, then the next one should be able to pop during times of volume as well, right? Entries right here, breaking this high. Stops are either kept below here or kept below here. Well, we got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Goldie. Time is. Do you guys do any swing trading at all? Nah. Not
Stocks
anymore.
and crypto, long-term investment.
Yeah,
that stuff, but
crypto, stock, stuff like that.
I mean, we usually leave like runners. If they run, they run. So, is that considered a swing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like we scalp, but we look to have runners to like complete like an intraday trade. So, you know, we'll grab our pips, right? Like let's say we got the closure we were looking for here, right? Let's say this candle had a top wick, and then we entered. Well, we would probably start pulling profits right around this area here, and then with the hopes of going to break even and then having this candle continue up. So that would turn more so into like an intraday trade, right? So that's what we shoot for. look to close profits. This would be about 50, a little bit over, almost 60 pips in profit right in this rejection zone is where I would lock in like 80% of my position, and then look to let the rest of it ride, right? Move stops to break even, and then let's see if the rest could ride, you know, to this wick fill. So that's typically what we would do, or what I would do in terms of like holding trades a bit longer. Gold. Can we get a close above? We have broken the high. Gotcha. Been looking for some setups to hold for a week, new month, new opportunities. I mean, you can. So our strategy will give you swing trading also, right? Like if you're, let's say you want to hold for like certain weeks, because that's really what swing trading is, right? You're gonna hold for like a couple days to a week or two. You know, like you can, let's say, take a look at GJ for instance. You could take an entry right here and hold buys, right, until these levels up here, because candles are going to tell you that story. So just like if this was a 30-minute time frame, you know, you can have maybe entry on the break of the high, stops below here for this candle to pump up. So you just hold that all week. You've created a support. You're moving up in this uptrend. So yeah, I mean, you can even just look at candles and set yourself up for some swing trading plays. WWWNBC. Gold. Broke the highs again? Yep. John, no school all week, right?
Nah.
Lit.
Yep, spring break.
Spring break, baby. GJ, push up. I got mad DMs here on IG, and I'll get back to them all today. But a lot of good feedback from the stream, man. A A lot of people killing it. We got 2 minutes. Give me 1 minute. So you don't pre-market support and resistance from the past? What do you mean? You mean for swing trading? Hold on 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Kids are up. Time is it? 9 a.m. All right, so we're gonna get a 4-hour close here. We're also gonna get a 1 hour, a 30-minute. All right, so 1 hour candle close just below here on GJ, and gold looks like it's still rejecting that resistance here. Maybe 9:15 or 9:30, but let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So if we're gonna expect some bottom wicks, where we're gonna expect it, probably down in this range right here. You could expect to see a bottom wick like somewhere down here, somewhere in this range. Yeah, never quite got that support that we're looking for. 15 is super choppy. Four hour on GJ closed bullish. Let's see what we got to the left. Yeah, I like gold better than GJ now, but we kind of need to see some structure here, right? We need something. Let's get rid of everything real quick. Take a look here. So one thing we could say is the 4-hour, pretty tough, man. Pretty tough, because you have this resistance here, which also lines up with all this resistance, right? So we never got to close above that. Never got to close above it on the 1 hour either. 30-minute is just starting to consolidate here. 15 straight consolidation, right? Same with the 5-minute. Just in a consolidation range. A lot of wick rejections up here, so yeah. We need a strong bottom wick. Not much really changes. Not much really changes there. Look at silver. I don't even know if I have silver up. The bench. What is it? XAG? Is that what silver is? Silver. Oh, drippy. Yeah, I never traded silver. Never really looked at it either. One hour candle rejecting though. Broke the lows. Daily time frame broke the lows as well. Damn. Four-hour bullish. It moves same as gold. Sometimes silver can start to move first, then gold follows, or vice versa. Yeah. How long have you been trading silver? Is it sure, it moves during the NY session, right? Silver versus gold. I mean USD. Celsius. I got the orange flavor too. I think Scott was telling me about that. I'll try it out. Looking pretty chalky here. Unless we get a close at 9:30. So you don't, oh yeah, back to this question. So you don't do pre-market support resistance from the past? Yeah, we do. Yep, that's how we break everything down. So if you, I know you're pretty new to the stream, but if you do go back to when we started the stream today, and if you go back to every stream, the first like 20 minutes, we do thorough breakdowns on both these pairs, and you can kind of see how we do our top-down analysis. But we do top-down analysis on each of our pairs every morning in the beginning of the stream, so you could check them out there just to see how we do it. If you have any questions after that, let us know. Yeah, gold is really just massively pushed up here during the London session, so would have liked to see a pullback a little earlier with a support created, but daily time frame is still bearish, right? We never broke these highs, so we could reject this area now, continue coming down. But it's getting tight squeeze in here. It's getting tight. Ooh. If we don't see anything here at 9:30, then it's probably going to be chalk for the day. So we will wait and see how this candle is going to close. 15-minute candle is going to close here in a few minutes, so not really doing much on this lovely Monday, the 3rd of April. Right, Tandy?
Righto, dude. Just chilling.
And then what do we got? We got news at 10, so yeah.
Oh, ISM.
Oh, yeah. Gigi read my mind. Yep, we have some news here at 10.
Yeah, ISM.
Yep. We got to get to 1,000 subs too, man, so I can show y'all that picture of green. The classic.
Using Green's picture as lever.
Green's gonna be telling people don't subscribe. Hey, yo. Price retest on gold. Yeah, we're just caught up in this range. That's all it is at this point. You really want to break out of here. Unless you guys are comfortable, right? I mean, who here is comfortable taking a position here? What's your position? Is it a buy or a sell? Because I still can't make it out. All we needed was this candle to close above. You notice how it rejected right at our line? Both of them, right? So you really need to close above this area here. Even that gold celery play, you see how it did nothing? Didn't do anything on that. So that's the difference between a celery in the range and a celery outside of the range. 4 pips, I think, price pushed on that. False celery. That was a fellery.
You never want to trade in the range.
No point.
Trash.
AJ loves to trade in the range.
Who?
AJ.
AJ.
Where's AJ at? AJ loves the range.
Where is AJ at? Is AJ here? Calling on AJ. Will the real AJ please stand up? Hey, it's our song right here. AJ sleeping? He might be. He is on the West Coast. 6:15 on the West Coast. The jam, yep. The jam.
Oh yeah, this song. Never mind. Slave, dude.
Oh, once that other beat drops in. Hey. This is actually a song that we end up taking trades on a lot. Just happens to fall on a trade. So let's take a sell. Alright, chat. Press sell. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Don't write me a letter saying you got into a sell. Blew your account. I wonder where that one dude ever went. I wonder if he ever came back to the stream. He may still be in GJ Cells. I hope not, because that was like down here. No, that was down here. 61, I remember his entry was. Holy. Oh, damn. $61. Imagine taking a sell here just because you think price is going to push down at a key level. Yikes. Keyword think. No thinking. Definitely account is gone. Facts. Account destroyed. Get one more like so we can get 30 likes. I don't like seeing 29. Let's get 30. One more like. It's 35 watching, so I know there's someone out there who's not liking the stream. If that's you, hit the like button. Hit the like button for us. There you go. Appreciate that. And sub to the channel as well. Oh, subscribe. I bet it's Bowser. Bowser, man. I don't know. Bowser's been here with us since early in the morning. He's been here. Oh, Bowser was here before I was here. 6:37. I didn't even pull up till 6:45. 6:48. Some of you guys love messing with Bowser. Bowser's the truth. I'm the first one to hit the like button. Ooh, appreciate that. Every day. Ooh, my man. My man. I think the first comment today was green, which was last night. Unless live chat. Yeah, green hit us with a W last night, man. Oh, now we're talking. 32 viewers, 32 likes. There we go. That's better math. Pumping down here, Pound Yen. Pumping down. Gold's pumping down, GJ's pumping down. Who's lying? Which one's lying? Do you want to turn your social media into an income? All you have to do is pay $24.99, $2,499, and we can help you do that. Hey man, my whole DM list got blue checks now on IG. What's going on?
Everyone's buying them, yo.
Damn, son, they offered that to me, but I passed on it. Did they offer you that?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't post enough.
Gotcha. Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out who they offer to and why, you know, like.
Wait, like Instagram hit you up?
Yeah.
Dang, yo, what?
Like they give you a message saying like you're eligible for it or whatever.
I don't. Maybe it's kind of conspiracy theory, but maybe it's because all those fake accounts being made of you.
Yeah.
Like, yo, we gotta
That is
verify
true.
this.
Yeah, Meta verified.
Damn, that's wild. I mean, is it free or is it?
It is. Let me see. I think there was a charge. Let's take a look.
$10?
Something like that. Meta $14.99 per month. Enhanced verification, proactive protection, direct support, exclusive extras.
Let's see. Does Raja have it? That's all it's based on.
Yo, that's so funny that we're saying that, and I just see a post right now. It says, "These blue checks getting out of hand. I thought Kim Kardashian wrote me. It was Kim from Apartment 3B Projects."
Yeah, Raja doesn't have it, so nah.
Yeah. Damn, I feel bad for people who have spent all that money. Some people spend like 50, 60 grand to get verified.
Yeah.
Yikes. If everybody's got it though, it just dilutes the value in my opinion.
If you can just buy it, it kind of dilutes it right there.
Yeah, exactly. Because now all the scam pages could buy it too, right?
Exactly, yeah.
All right, 9:30 is approaching. Meta is copying Elon. Yeah, word. Nick's big time, Mr. Worldwide. Apparently, Instagram must think so. Yeah, we do have fake pages, which is pretty annoying. That's why I had to take the pics of my kids and stuff off my page because just don't want that out there. That's why you guys don't see me posting my kids anymore. Weirdos taking my pictures. And I understand that comes with the game, right? I understand it's a part of it, but you can take my pics, just not my kids, man. Not the kids, man. Not my wife, bro. I don't want you having pics of my wife, kids.
That's weird. I can't believe people did that.
Yeah. I have friends hitting me up like, dude, is this you? Like, nah, bro. Nah, bro.
Facts, GG. Yo, facts. Imagine if they put all that effort into doing something good, though.
Right? Imagine if they actually just like sold a product or a service.
Would be wild.
Like they're hustling anyway. Like they're selling.
Yeah.
Like you're selling anyway. Hell yeah, scammers, man. Hustling harder than some business people. Yup. And ain't no one hustle more harder than a crackhead. They got that crackhead in them. That grit. Hey, yo, I'm on a new level. Yeah, so I have to take those pics down, man. This is my IG, though. This is the only real IG. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. That's it. If they copy all these pics though, so you gotta be careful. Oh, still got one pic. Good book right here. Power of the Subconscious Mind. But yeah, you guys can follow me on IG. My handle's also right down here as well. Got about 100 new followers this month in the last 30 days or so. My idol, stop. Stop it, Green. Stop it, Neerj. My boy Neerj. Green, what's up with that? Neerj. Oh, you followed as well. Nice. Appreciate it. Yeah, I post a lot of good content. Incognito. I remember there used to be a street racing crew called Incognito. I like that though, Green. All right. A few minutes here for 9:30. And nothing. Dude, Green, I know. You didn't have to tell me that. Oh, the books? Yeah. Yeah, I got a nice... Very big into reading. Some classics right here. Men, y'all gotta check out this book here. But yeah, a lot of good books. Not even gonna lie, I didn't even read this book. The Expectant Father. That may be the #1 book sold that doesn't get read, that just like hangs out on the shelf. This book is like thick too. I don't even know where it is, but yeah, that book's like 500-600 pages, man. So I'm gonna just figure this out as I go. But yeah, a lot of good books here. Four Agreements is a pretty good book. Emotional Intelligence, good book right here for trading. Art with People, amazing if you're in sales or do anything in that regards. This book right here will change your life. These two right here, oh my God, you'd be a different person after you read these two. Oh damn. These four right here. The Tongue, A Creative Force, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, The Compound Effect, and Outwitting the Devil. You will be a new person if you read those 4 books. Wow. Hey, 5 a.m. club.
Amazing.
Yeah, a lot of good books, man. A lot of good books.
Yeah, now I'm gonna start the sled edge.
It's your boy back in the day. Running it up. Hey. There's the boys.
Yeah, that's a minute ago.
Yeah, that was a while. You know, a little date night, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so 9:30 is here. Still in the range. Not much we could do here, ladies and gents. Not much. I have the expect. Huh?
Chill day at the office.
Yeah, chill day here at the office. Hey, Chad, I met Justin Bieber one time. Look at this guy. This dude jumped out the whip. Just popped up. Popped up out of nowhere. Crazy. That's how much I love books. All of them. Yeah. Send it to me, Nick. I can see already around 5 books, 5 different books that I have too. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, I love reading.
Send it to me, Nick. What am I sending? I have The Expectant Father also. Did you read it? That's the question. All right, volume coming in here, but really nothing we could do, man. No top wick either. I'll check you guys out tomorrow. Gotta get back to work. These roofs ain't gonna load themselves. All right, Bowser, have a great day. Took 2 trades in London, none in New York. Did in FOMO. Good day for me so far. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, nothing for us here. London was the move last night, making all the money. He that tiny or you giant? Who? That was a couple years ago. Oh, Justin Bieber? Yeah, he's very small, very short kid. Yeah, very small, skinny, weak. Hands were all clammy. Honestly, I felt bad for him, to be honest. Seemed like he just wanted to fit in with like me, like a normal person. Haley Bieber, or Haley Baldwin is the one that took that picture too. He was with her. She grabbed my phone, guys. Yeah, nah, he's very short, very small, skinny kid. But I also am about 6 foot, so. Little man. It's that wedding day flex. Oh, shit. Sells below 1975, valid on the 30. 1975. Let's see here. Sells are pretty valid. I mean, below. Yeah, below here. Below this line here, this support. Pretty valid, but we do have news coming up, and I'm probably just gonna call it a day here. Not really much direction, price action. GJ as well, just messing around in this range at this point. Not much. Silver dumping. And now, yeah, gold's dumping because you have this NYSE open here. So you got a lot of volume dumping in here. Silver. Yeah, not much for me here today, chat. Probably gonna call it a day here. Not really trying to. I got a few things to do. Plus, we got news coming out at 10. So yeah, that's probably it. That is probably it. Come back at it again tomorrow. See what we got going on. There should be some volume coming in. Now that we have NYSE open, and then you'll have news at 10. So yeah, you could probably look to maybe take some sells here. We never broke the daily highs, so you could probably anticipate these sells. I would wait for a closure and wait for news to come out, see how you fall there. And if I do take anything, I'm obviously gonna call it in the signals channel as well, but pretty chalked, right? So not gonna force anything here today. Great day today, bud. Always learning. Good stuff, Steven. Thank you, Nick. Another great stream. Got you, George. Yep. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow should be much cleaner day. All right. My people in Zoom land, love you guys. See you guys
Love you too.
later.
Later, my man. Hope you
Peace,
have a
y'all.
great
Peace,
day.
chat.
YouTube land. Love y'all. Have a great day.
Peace.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace, peace.